strongest thunderstorms are really up here from Rochester up through Concord, New Hampshire, and off towards Hillsborough. And that's lifting its way to the north. So all of that's kind of moving out of here. But this is the area I'm watching out here to the west, because that's going to be moving in as we start to talk about this evening. And because of that, we actually have a severe weather outlook for a slight risk going on overnight tonight until tomorrow morning. And that's why we're not done with the weather yet, even though the watch only goes till 9 o'clock. Later on this evening in the overnight hours, we could have some downpours, some strong winds, certainly some lightning and thunder may waken you in the middle of the night. The threat for tornadoes very low, but not zero. So we're keeping a close eye on those cells off to the west. So what happens? Well, that area you see off to the west by 8 o'clock is moving into the Worcester area. Continues to push its way into Boston. I would say by 9, 10 o'clock at least, we get that in here. And then this area continues to lift its way to the north. So it's really the evening to overnight hours that we have our best chance for seeing some of these showers, thunderstorms, and downpours. Tomorrow morning at 5 a.m., just about the end of it. But that's the end of this round, because there's another round that comes into the afternoon. Look what happens about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, I don't expect anything really terribly strong out of this tomorrow afternoon, but the threat's going to be out there, and it's going to be during your evening commute as well. Once we get done with that one, then we're pretty much done with everything. And as you look over the city right now, some beautiful clouds out there, but boy, look at this humidity. Dew point of 72 degrees. The air is just ripe for a thunderstorm to fire off. It just needs a triggering mechanism. That's what we're looking at off to our west right now. And you can see the tremendous amount of humidity that is sitting out there with dew points well into the 70s. Here's the good news of the forecast. Look what happens. Tomorrow, still warm, still muggy in the morning, but as we head towards Friday and into the weekend, the humidity goes down as the dew points drop back into the 50s. So here's the way it looks then. Let's keep it an impact weather day for tomorrow, mostly because of the early morning hours more than anything else. Clearing away on Friday, still warm though. Look at your weekend. Less humid weather, plenty of sunshine, very pleasant conditions for Saturday and Sunday. Monday's basically dry, but Monday night there's a slight risk we could see a shower in here. Partly cloudy skies on Tuesday, another chance of seeing some showers or thunderstorms on Wednesday. Nothing terribly hot and nothing terribly humid. After we get through tonight and early tomorrow morning, that's when the humidity is going to be at its worst as we look at it right now.